Prior to assembling your shelving, ensure you have all the components ready beside you. The frames, beams, shelf panels, PVC top caps, as well as base plates and safety clips. Using safety gloves and a rubber mallet will make the installation a breeze. With the components ready beside you, start assembling by standing the frame against a wall, ensuring the lugs on the frame are facing up. Secure the base plates on the bottom of the end frame. Choosing the first shelf level height, you can now insert the first beam into the upright, making sure the beam groove is facing up. Once the first beam is secured into the first end frame, repeat the same method on the other side of the frame at the same height as the first beam to create a pair of beams which can then be connected to the second end frame. Take your second end frame and connect the two existing beams to the frame at the same height. You can now connect the rest of the beams to create additional elevations, setting the height in 33mm increments. After securing the beams into the uprights, you can now ensure they are all inserted all the way in by tapping with the rubber mallet. Once all done, make sure you insert the safety clips to each side of the beam. You can now sit your shelf panels into the beam's grooves, which gives you a smooth flush surface. The Super 1-2-3 shelving system can cater for different shelf surfaces, steel, plastic and wood. When finished assembling your bay, place the PVC top cap on the top of the upright to ensure a safe finish. Now that you have completed your starter bay, you may continue to install your add-on bay using a third frame if desired.